Hello, today is Sunday, 16th of April, and this is my dwarf Cavendish banana. It has a fruit, a lot of babies. The height of the fruit is about my head, and today my project is to relocate that baby one to a friend's house. I have wetted the soil to make the soil stick to it because I'm going to dig that out with that sharp spade there lying on the ground. Okay, this is a dwarf Cavendish, or in Kadazan, Puntibu, and I'm going to dig it out now. I'm going to punch it through here, cut it from the, this is the mother, and it is growing at the side of the mother, so I'm going to cut it out from the being attached to the parents' body, and it just shoot, and you can relocate it because now the leaf is big enough, and I'm sure it has a lot of roots. Come on, get out of the soil. Come on, come on, come on. Wait, stop. Come on. Come on, get out, get out. Come on, come on, come on. Wait, it's quite tough, baby. Come on, come on. I'm gonna have to spade you out. Come out with your roots. Only then you'll break it. There you go. And I bring it with as much of its root as possible. Well, you harm a bit, but you survive. Do you have your own roots? Yes. You got your own roots. Yeah. Oh dear, no much soil in it. It didn't come with the soil. What it got is, it has a lot of its own roots. So, as you can see, what's the rock doing there? Black soil here. And it's got its own root already, so it's healthy. So it should simply continue to grow. The roots is going down there. So it's a healthy baby. Good, my dear. The second baby banana has a big leaf, so I expect it to have more roots on it. And the reason why I'm digging it out, because there's too many of them. According to the internet recommendation, you should only have maximum three of the bananas growing on the same spot at the same time. Well, the parent is already bearing fruits, but the other side also has a pup there, or baby banana. So there will be four, so I'm going to take out one and give to a friend. And I'll choose the healthy one. Okay, the reason why you don't have too many clumps in one spot is that, well, according to the internet expert, you don't have enough resources for it, which is the ground, the soil, the fertility of the soil, and also from the sun, because the leaf will be overlapping, and those down below won't be able to get sun when there's too many of them. So they think that tree is good enough. So guys, I'm going to dig that one, and the plastic bag is here ready to hold the whatever I dig out with it. So here goes. I'm going to do the same. Dig it and cut it from the parent's body. Here, it's growing out from the, it's actually grow out from the parent's body at base, and my spade is got a very, very sharp edge. You will just cut into the ground like that. Will you come out? You're not coming out. You already cut. Come on. Yep, it is cut already. There you go. And it come out with a big chunk of stem. Too bad. Doesn't matter. You just bring the stem with you. That's your resources. you will go to a new place, my dear, and continue to grow on the top of the hill. Come on. Come out. You're gonna have a new home, baby. You're gonna have new home. Much sheltered home on the top of the hill. Away from the flood. I got a lot of roots. Uh-oh. Well, look at the roots of this one. Plenty of roots. Don't worry, I'm gonna fill you back with more soil. And this fellow here has already got a fruit anyway. And the guy here will be taking over. Look at that. Well, he got enough nutrition to go to the next dark soil. And into the bag you go. Just to protect your moisture. Don't cut the root, not necessary. Aha. To a new home, my dear baby. To a new home.